Not drunk, just full of whatever, and I'm about to do something to this hair. Usually when I'm feeling like this, it's probably around the time that I would chop it off. And I don't want to chop my hair off because I like my growth so far. So what I'm going to be doing is attempting to bleach out all this blue. Now, I will say I'm not going to insert a picture of what I want this to look like because 10 times out of 10 it's probably not going to look like that. So we're just going to bleach and see where it goes. Disclaimer before this starts, I may be a licensed cosmetologist, but everything I may do in this video is probably not something you should do. And if you see me without my gloves on, make sure y'all have y'all gloves on, and make sure y'all read y'all instructions, and make sure that your hair is healthy enough to put it through the stress and pain that bleaching is going to do to your hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my gloves on and get started. First of all, hey you guys, how have you been? I've been great. I've been okay. I've been working a lot, and I'm just kind of like, I just want something new right now, and the only thing that I can change is my hair color. So let's jump right into it. So I am not going to bleach my entire head. I am not that stressed out. I'm just going to come down to my root, close to my root, but not on my roots. Which obviously I'm going to have to start with the ends anyway because the ends have been processed the most. But first, I'm actually going to take these off. I jumped the gun by putting them on. I'm going to cover my hairline and the back, my shaved area, with Vaseline. And I'm going to put it through the middle as well, where I really do not want any bleach to get at. So we'll start there. I honestly feel like I should have done a color stripper first because there's so much color in my hair already. But it's mostly just like blue. So I'm just going to take my chances with just bleach. Which in a professional setting, you may need a color stripper. So just keep that in mind. This is what happens when you don't want to stress drink or stress eat. I stress dye my hair. Which if you guys look closely, they're already like kind of fading to like a blonde color. If I could honestly, if I could just get it to be this color, I think I wouldn't be mad. I am using Kaleido Colors on all hair. I should have got the one for dark, but I don't know. I don't care. I'm gonna do this one. And I'm using a 30 volume developer because I want this color out. So I was gonna do 40, but I don't want to do anything too super harsh to my hair. Y'all go ahead and just leave a like, one like for my hair. Hopefully that it turns out well. I just put this rubber band on the end. I don't know what I'm doing, y'all. I know what I'm doing, but I don't know what I'm doing. One thing I like about Kaleido Colors is that it gives you this little cup thing. I am just so impulsive when it comes to my hair. The bleach has been open. Don't worry, my room is well ventilated, you guys. You make sure everything is covered up. I don't have a towel. I want to do 1 level scoop of bleach. If I screw my hair up, can y'all like tag Brad Mondo and like get me to his salon so he can fix this for me? That would be a dream come true. I eyeball my developer. Don't shoot me. Just pour some in and I'm gonna mix. So yes, if you guys haven't known, I've been working as a beauty advisor for about a year now, and I don't want to say I hate my job as much as my job just kind of hates me, I guess. So I be stressed. I come home and I be stressed, and I just been looking at myself and I'm like, I just want something different. So we're bleaching my hair, which probably has been through enough. Honestly, Brad could do an entire video on my hair journey because this hair has been through it. Alright you guys, so I feel like I have successfully mixed way too much bleach for the amount of hair that I have on my head. And I'm going to start applying it to my locks, which I just feel like this will be a win-win situation, because if I do this and it looks good, then I'll have a nice new hairstyle. If I do this and it looks horrible, I may end up in a Brad Mondo video. So it's a win-win on my part. I'm going to start by applying it. Oh my gosh, it's still chunky. I'm going to apply this with my hands, mostly because I'm crazy. But I'm just going to like take it and run it down the ends of my locks, and I'm going to start where the blue is the darkest, because since that hair is darker, it's going to take a longer time to process. And I'm not going to put it near my roots because that's going to process fast anyway, because I have not dyed my ends, well, my roots yet. So I'm going to stay away from my roots. I'm just going to put it where I have previously dyed my hair. Okay, yeah, and just pin this because this is making me nervous. I don't want it to hit me in my eye. Okay. And I'm like literally just grabbing it. Oh my god! Grabbing it. And just putting it on my hair. Trying to avoid the roots at all costs. Just concentrating it on that blue area. And I'm going to clip it. Beauty advisor job, because I love hair. I love dyeing hair. But I was more interested in doing makeup for a living. But as a beauty advisor, you literally do makeup maybe 30% of the time. The rest of the time you're selling cosmetics. Why don't y'all leave me in the comments, like tell me what y'all have been up to since we haven't spoken in so long. And I come back with this ridiculous video of me ruining my hair. Well, let's not put that negative energy in the atmosphere. Let's say that I actually did wonderful. I think I lied. I think I didn't make enough bleach. Look at that blue. I really want the blue to go, which is why I feel like I should have did a color stripper. But I'm also like flat broke. I literally just got paid, and then I paid my bills, and now I'm flat broke. So I went out and I spent the last of the money I have to buy hair dye. And now I am here bleaching my hair on YouTube for maybe the 5,000th time. I bleach my hair a lot here, you guys. I should have got a processing cap. I'm going to stick that Sally's bag on my head to process. Okay. Second pair of gloves. Oh, shoot. I meant to put in a rubber band and the ponytails before I did that. I'm going to very quickly, don't try this at home. Put this in a little pony. Do not do this at home. I'm going to go wash my hands immediately after I do this, you guys. Do not do this. Okay. And oh god, it's on my face. It's on my face. It's on my face. I'm gonna process under this thing. I would add full, but then I'm not even that much of an idiot, so. Wrap that around my head. Go wash my hands. I'm back. It is processing. I will be If it's not light enough, I will be doing another coat of bleach. If it's not bright enough, I'm gonna let this process for a little bit. Let me read the box because I usually will just go to sleep. No, I won't go to sleep. That was a lie. Let it process 30-45 minutes. So I have blow dried it. This is what it looks like dry. My ends are very blue as I expected. And I actually really screwed up over here and got my roots. Luckily, it's like back here so it doesn't look too crazy. Alright, you guys, so after the second bleaching, this is where we're at. I'm sure a third bleaching will get it even lighter, but this I think is going to be light enough for the color I want to get. So now I'm just going to put on my toner. Alright, y'all, so this is where I'm at with my hair. 2 bleaches and a day later. So I just got back from Sally's because I only bought the bleach yesterday because I really didn't know what color I wanted to do. I was going to choose a color depending on how bright I got the hair to be. And I mean, it's pretty bright in some areas. Like, look right here where I accidentally got it on my scalp. Bright. So I've decided on dark intense red blonde, which on the little hair swatch it looked kind of like red copper, which I'm kind of like torn between making this kind of copper and like a red color, I guess. So I got this from Sally's, Ion Permanent Color Brilliance, and I got 2 of these deep conditioning Ion Color Intense moisture conditioners. I'm gonna mix one of them in with the dye before I apply it to my hair. First, I need to go get some more gloves, so I'll be right back. And it looks really red coming out of the pack. Look at that. That's like really red. I'm kind of interested to see what the red is going to do with these little areas where it's not quite, the blue is still there, kind of. Which, I mean, red and blue make purple, so. Now I'm going to add just a touch of this conditioner. Color treated hair. My hair has been definitely treated to a lot of color. I'm just gonna add a little bit of that, not too much. This color is looking really intimidating, you guys. Like, that is really, really pink. Y'all, if my hair turns out like hot pink like this, I'm gonna cry. But it pink loud, honey. This is a loud pink. It looks even louder on camera, but it's pretty loud. Whatever that. Alright, now I'm gonna take my Vaseline again. Protect my hair. I actually ended up bleaching a spot back here. So, yeah. So I'm gonna make sure that I protect myself this time. Got my ears and get that hair. I'm probably should get a towel. I probably should take off this shirt because I actually like it. I'll be right back. Y'all, this looks scary. Look at it. Oh, shoot. Alright. Take these dang gloves off. Alright, you guys, so I'm going to put on my ghetto processing cap, and I'm gonna let this sit on my hair for about 45 minutes. I have a minute left on my timer, and this is what we're working with, you guys. Doesn't look so pink anymore, which I'm excited about. Alright, you guys, and that is the end of my midlife crisis hair tutorial. Not even a tutorial. Just a mental breakdown on camera featuring hair dye.